let's get straight to it.
That computer science degree you worked so hard for? It's a receipt.
Yeah, a receipt for a job that, well, it doesn't exist anymore. And I'm not here trying to predict the future. I'm reading you the obituary. The entry-level software development role is dead.
And you gotta forget about all the cool technology talk. This is about one thing and one thing only: cold, hard financial calculation.
So, let's look at the matchup. In one corner, you've got the human junior developer. In the other, an AI agent. The math here? It's not just brutal, it's a foregone conclusion.
Let's start with the human. The cost to a company? We'll be conservative and say $80,000 a year. And believe me, that's just the price of admission.
80 grand a year for an asset that needs sleep, takes vacations, and wastes, 4 hours chasing down a syntax error. It's a high-cost bet on potential, with almost zero initial productivity.
Now let's look at the alternative. 50 cents. That's what it costs to get an AI agent to solve the exact same problem. I'm not talking per hour, I'm talking per solution.
For less than $1, you get a worker that is on the clock 24/7, never gets tired, and has perfect recall of every single programming language. Economically, this isn't a choice. The decision has already been made.
And if you're sitting there thinking, oh, but the AI isn't capable enough yet, you are already way behind. Take a look at this chart. This is Devin, an AI from Cognition Labs. Older models, they could barely handle 1% of real-world GitHub issues. Devin is solving almost 14% of them completely end-to-end.
Look at that trajectory. This isn't some slow, gradual improvement. It's a vertical line, straight up. This capability is doubling every few months. The whole era of AI can't really code is over. It's done.
This ruthless economic calculation creates a trap, a nasty one. We call it the junior paradox, and it's exactly why the entire pipeline for new talent is collapsing as we speak.
And hey, don't take my word for it. This right here, this is a mission statement from the CEO of NVIDIA, Jensen Huang, the guy whose company is literally building the hardware for this revolution. He says his job is to make it so nobody has to program. Think about that. Coding is no longer a specialized skill. It's just becoming a utility. So here it is, the paradox. The new entry-level job isn't writing code. It's supervising the AI that does. But how can you possibly review AI-generated code if you were never taught how to write it yourself? You can't. The path to gaining experience has been completely erased.
And this kicks off the death spiral. Step 1. Companies replace junior devs with AI to save a buck. Step 2. The new talent pool never gets any real-world experience. Step 3. Without that experience, you can't create senior developers. Step 4. The entire tech talent pipeline just collapses.
This is an extinction-level event for the traditional career path, so let's talk about how you can avoid becoming a fossil.
The old playbook is useless. How do you possibly stay relevant when the first rung of the career ladder has been vaporized?
You need a hard pivot, right now. 3 things. First, become an architect. Stop laying bricks, start designing the building. Your value is in system design, not writing boilerplate. Second, master AI orchestration. You have to learn to manage and chain multiple AI agents to solve complex business problems. Become the conductor, not just an instrument. And third, and this is critical, stop memorizing syntax. That skill now has zero market value. Your focus has to shift entirely to logic, to problem solving, and to product-level thinking.
The corporate ladder you were promised, the one where you start at the bottom and work your way up, it's gone. It has been sawed off and thrown into a furnace. There is no path up anymore. Your only option is to leap directly to a higher level of thinking and contribution. You have to learn to fly.